Hello guys, it's nice and sunny today. Look at these irises. Iris, so pretty. They are already blooming, so beautiful. Love, love, love. They love the sun. They open as soon as the sun come up and it's warmer. Then they are happily blooming. So this is the thing, guys. In in the last video, I forgot the name of this, but now I remember. It's called red valerian. Oh my gosh, I nearly forgot it again. Red valerian. So this is kind of medicinal plants. Oh my gosh, there is a bee. Yeah, alright, okay. So let's see some more flowers. Look, this is a wildflowers. Yellow. Look at that. It's so pretty. Amazing. It's just growing in between the paving stone. Look. Anything that grows in between the paving stone, and if their flowers is nice, then I just leave them. And they grow every year. So they are perennial weeds, but so pretty. So that is a dianthus is flowering. This one flower starting. Once it starts, then it will grow. Oh, this is the pink one, pink dianthus. Oh, so pretty. Nice. And over there. So they started now. This is the cherries, guys. Look at that. There are a lot. And only on this branch. And on the top branch, look at this, guys. All the cherries are gone, eaten by birds. These are the pink citruses, reddish pink, so pretty. The one in the front is white with the marks in the middle, but this one is just plain pink. And look at that, guys. It's like someone crumpled it. It's like a paper crumpled. So pretty. And it's so easy to grow, and they don't need much attention. They just grow bigger, bushier and bushier every year. Look at that. This is only one plant, and look how big it is now. This has been, I think, 2 years, or maybe it's the 3rd year this year, and it's flowering every year. And a lot, like every day when it flowers, this one, and then tomorrow this one will wilt, and then the others will open, the one in the bottom. So that's how it flowers. So it's non-stop flowering. And I will show you another one, guys, which is I love. Okay, let's go. Look at that. That is azalea. So it's been flowering for quite a while, and I forgot to video it. And look at that. It's nearly the end of the flowering thing. So the thing is, I need to take off all these so it will continue flowering. There. Look at that. It's so pretty. Look. Amazing. Yes. It's just planted in a pot. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. I love this. I love all my plants. And there's another azalea here, guys, but then the flowers are very scarce, very few. I think it needs more feed, and I think it's some other things growing in there. It's the campion and the red valerian growing in there, so I think they are the nutrients are divided between the three of them, so I think I have to take out the other two and leave all the only this azalea. So pretty flowers. Okay, so this is salvia, hot lips. So when it opens, guys, it's white like this, and then when it maturing, there's pink like a lips in there. Look, and then when it's already matured, look at that. It's just red. That's why it's called hot lips. Amazing. See, this one is opening. Isn't that amazing, guys, how it transformed from white to pink? So pretty. Look, amazing. Oh, I can see black currant in here. Black currant, no, not black currant. I can see red currant. Look at that. It's still green at the moment, but they will become red. Okay, so there. Amazing. And this is my olive tree. It didn't have any fruit yet or flowers.